when the technology is come to the world is gonna too digital. But when the AI is come to the technology is just like a boom. I hope you understand what sort of thing I'm talking about. Open chat. Open chat is too in trending, which is launched newly, and if it's grow just like this, Google will be done and dusted too soon in the future. Open chat is AI. First of all, we have to know what is AI. AI is a simulation of a human intelligence processed by machine and especially computers systems. And today I'm going to talk about open chat. It's also one sort of artificial intelligence. And today this is so mind-blowing. You have to just watch the video full, and then I'm going to show you how you can use open chat, from where you can on it, how you can use open chat. So without squandering your time, let's get back towards the video. But before starting the video, if after large and subscribe our YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. You can use open chat in your phone as well and your computer as well, but you have need internet. Let's go toward the video. So this is my desktop screen, and now you have to go and open your Chrome browser and search here open chat, sorry, AI. The second name of open chat is chatgpt. Just click on the first link. Here you can see try chatgpt. Click on it. So it is checking if the site connection is secure, because a lot of people are signed into it. So if you make already account in open chat, you have to just log into it, and if you don't, so you have to sign up. This is our first time, so you have to sign up. And here you can give your email address, and then you click on I'm not robot and click on continue, but I just continue it with my Google, so click on continue with Google. Here izhar Syed. Continue. Here you have to give your phone number, so we are gonna give our phone number, and code is sent to us. So you have to give the OTP, it's like one-time password, which is send it to your inbox. So you can see here the dashboard of ChatGPT is open, or open chat. Dashboard is already open in front of you. Just click on next, some instruction, done. So here you can see how you can use it. So here you have to search here, just like topics. Search here topics for YouTube channel. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, mind-blowing. These are many potential topics that you could use for your YouTube channel. Some popular options include vlogging, gaming and reviewing video game, beauty and fashion tutorial and hauls, travel vlog and destination guides, food and cooking content including recipes and restaurant reviews. Oh my god, it's so easy peasy job, anyone can do it. If for instance you have a website and you want to write a blog, so come here and search in the search bar, write blog. Oh my god, oh my god, 5 title, 5 tips for staying productive. Oh my god, this is such a mind-blowing, man. This is So here you can see you can delete the conversation. So this is so easy job. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. You can write a blog for your website. You can earn money from YouTube. And for instance, we are right here on how much ways I can earn money from YouTube, and then enter. Then here you can see, oh my god, mind-blowing. There are several ways you can earn money from YouTube: advertisement, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise, membership, donations. Oh my god. You can also make a video on it for YouTube. How much way you can earn money from a YouTube. This is just like a thumbnail. Make a video thumbnail. Oh my god, this is so mind-blowing. This is so mind-blowing thing. You can use it for any sort of thing. You can use it for your if for instance you are a programmer, you can use it for your programming, and a lot of things you can do on it. You can earn money on a lot of ways from it. You can write a blog. I've already told you. You can write any sort of thing. If for instance you want some assignment from it, you can write it down here. Just like this piece of job, it will be done for you in a second. Oh my god, it's so mind-blowing thing. Okay, and other qualities of it, you can clear the conversation from here. Confirm clear conversation. Anything is clear. And here you can see a dark mode. You can also open on the dark mode. Okay, and here you can log out from here. You can log out, and here you can see if the update just come in the open chat. Just click here and update it. This is all about today video. If the video is a little bit informative or helpful for you, so make sure that you like the video and share your opinion about AI in the comment below as well, and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. Take care of yourself. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.